Hi, I'm Mike with Sir Disability and I'm going to demonstrate on how to determine the condition of a dry cell using a multimeter or multi-tester. Let us now determine the condition of a dry cell using our multi-tester. But before that, we have to calibrate our multi-tester first. We have to check its continuity. So good. Now let us put our range selector to DCB10. And as we can see that the pointer is not at 0, so we have to calibrate it first. Okay, all good. We have here a 9 volts dry cell. We have a 9 volts dry cell. Before testing it, we have to check if there's a bulging area or any abnormalities, so we can tell if a dry cell is in good condition or not just by simply checking on it. This battery is in good condition, so let's try testing. This is the positive probe and the negative probe. As we can see, we have here the positive terminal for dry cell and the negative terminal. The total voltage of our dry cell is 9.1. So let's try the other dry cell. No bulging area, seems perfect. Positive terminal and negative terminal. Let's check the voltage. It says 1.8. Now let's put our selector to 2.5 volts. As you can see, the pointer is at 180, so that's equivalent to 1.8 volts. Let's try the other one. We'll put our range selector to 10. So it only has 1.2 volts. Let's see, using the 2.5 scale. 1.3 1.5. So this battery must have gotten weak. So that's all. Thank you.